Hello friends, this is again what I'm creating is date with money. You treat money like a burden, not like a partner. You think money is this, money is some other way. But if you treat it like a threat, you avoid look at your bank balance. This is an escape. You are disconnected with money energetically. You treat it like a bossy parent or an abusive ex. You never connect. You don't want to connect. And if this continues, you will stay uncomfortable around money. You will never attract money because you are rejecting money. You are rejecting that closeness, connection with money, that intimacy. And this gets worse. You pass this emotional pattern even to your generations. Oh God. So let us really work on a relationship reset by dating money. So I invite you to a relationship money reset. Date with money. Ken Honda and spiritual money mentors, they say, treat your money like a lover. Would you date someone who ignores you, whom you are fearful? So money can also feel your energy. So now the technique is have a weekly date and have this date on Thursday. I would also love to encourage the viewers to also watch my winning work week formula, what you are supposed to do on a Thursday. This will be an added like the topping on the cake. Don't miss it. I will put the link in the description. So now coming back to dating money. So you are scheduling your date, 30 minutes minimum. Set up a recurring time. Dress up. If you want, light a candle. Treat this like a sacred meeting with your financial partner. Ask question. How are you doing? To your wallet. Take out some money. Where are you going to come this week? Where are you going? And when you are going, the money is going, say arigato out. When the money is coming, arigato in. The meaning of arigato is thank you. Ask what would make you feel more appreciated. What do you love with money? What action? And listen and adjust. Look at your expense without judgment, without fear, your savings, and with love and curiosity and respect. Journal what you found. This observation can be documented. And maybe you are ignoring money in some area or overspending to some area. You will, I am telling you, get present to some new revelations about your own patterns, because money is a belief, money is a conversation, money comes from totally your thought process, your personality, the way you think, the way you feel, and the way you act. Now let's do a transformation promise. Your money will respond to the quality of attention you give it. After 2-3 consistent dates, I'm telling you, you will start feeling more grounded, abundant, more magnetic, comfortable, feeling loved around money, feeling love, this energy coming from money to you. In the last, I would love to teach you a chanting which you can learn. So this is like making a infinity circle, a loop. See, it is this way, like you have to make a 8 and this is not going to break. So this is money coming in and this is money going out, an infinity loop. This is a technique. Now what you can say is money comes to me from multiple sources with ease and grace. I'm just giving 3 lines so that it is not overwhelming, and this is a technique by Bob Proctor, one of my mentors. So God bless his soul. So money comes to me from multiple sources with ease and grace. There is a more complex part to this prayer, but this is sufficient. So those of you who like this money date with money, relationship reset with money, please like and subscribe the video. Also share with your friends. Sharing is caring, and money loves a open heart, a big heart person. And what is in the heart? When we are more acceptable, more loving, and more forgiving, this opens the heart. And my dear friends, if you are a human being, you are hearing me, heart is 5,000 times more powerful than your brain. I hope you loved this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.